Good night, everyone.
So in this video, we are going to interview some individuals about the life, works, and results.
Let's go.
Good morning, ma'am. Ako dahil si Raul Carlos Abellano sa from BTL Ed1. Ganahan ako i-interview ka about sa life of and works of Rizal para sa among project ba. So, willing ba ka ma-interview?
Good.
Before I will interview you, could you state your name and degree program?
So, I am Jonna May Barbach from DSIT, first year.
So, the first question is, what is the full name of Jose Rizal?
Jose Potasio Rizal?
So, actually, the full name of Jose Rizal is Jose Potasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Rialonda. So, and the next question is, what are the two famous novels of Jose Rizal?
Noli Me Tangere and
Number 3, could you name the 3 flyers that represent the word Gomborza?
Gomez, Siborgol, Gomborza, Zamora. Pero ako ka ba sa
Their first name are Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, and Vicente Zamora. Fourth question, in what way Jose Rizal fought for our freedom?
for our what?
In what way Jose Rizal fought
Through writing.
through propaganda movement in which he wrote his 2 famous novels to attack the Spanish colonists. Number 5 and the last question, do you agree that Jose Rizal work or contribution must be taught in college?
I think so. Why? I think because in this generation, people right now, or the teenagers right now, forget our traditions and they forget those heroes who sacrificed their lives to have our freedom right now. And I think even though we are now in college, we need to be knowledge about them, though it was taught us but in elementary or in high school. But in college, generation may come, and I think people will forget it. And we need to adapt it again.
School purposes lang. About Rani Rizal.
Life of good.
Third year? First year.
Sa course education ah. Ikaw Ben.
Pwede rin makita pa sa camera. Ano ba?
Ano lang?
So, before that, sir, magpapailas ako. So, ako din ay si Charlemagne Aguilar Lawat from BTL Ed1. So, before, sir, kay please, ka na pwede mag-sponsor ko sa ibang pangalan ng program.
My name is Steven Tafik from BIT PA, Bachelor of Industrial Technology, major in Computer Technology.
So, the first question, sir, is what is the full name of Jose Rizal?
Si Potasio Mercado
Rizal.
y Alonso Rialonda.
So, ang full name ni Rizal, sir, is Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Rialonda. So, the second question, sir, is what are the famous novels of Jose Rizal?
Noli Me Tangere,
And
Libus Turismo.
so, the third one, sir, is could you name the 3 friars that represent the word Gomborza?
Yan, si Jacinto Gomez, si Jose Burgos to? Si Burgos, yan si
So, ang tama dyan lang nga answer is Mariano Gomez,
Mariano Gomez,
Jose Burgos, and Jacinto Zamora. So, the fourth one, sir, is what way Jose Rizal fought for our freedom?
Sa to?
In what way Jose Rizal or fight for our freedom?
Sa to?
In what way Jose Rizal fight for our freedom?
Diba, isip first. Stop. Ikaw ba? What? What? Wait lang, questions? Yeah, wait na, pass
I
na.
can answer. Last question is, do you agree that Jose Rizal's works or contribution must be taught in college?
Yes,
Why?
because wala ka nang mapuna na mong knowledge about sa iyang history ba? Ano sa na imong heroes na ganun na himo siyang ganun moto, ganun sa nakitabo sa iyang ba kinabuhi
Thank you,
para
sir.
sa atong bayan.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Excuse me, miss. We are from the Bitter and first year. If you're willing, we would like to interview you about the life of my question is, could you name the three things that represent Burza?
I can, the last time I can recall, Bursa, their family name, si Gomez, si Burgos, and si Zamora.
Fun fact that the Burza ay familiar ba sa mo ang Nobel ni Rizal? So, ang kaning Burza kay mauni siya ang kanang inspiration ni Rizal para mahimo ang iyang Nobel. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.